Last week, we saw Palantir reject off of this previous resistance, and I thought that we could see this thing continue to pull back to maybe $100 or $90 before a support, and I was wrong. You can see that now price has bounced significantly earlier than I had expected, and now the BX trender, which is this indicator at the bottom of your screen which shows buying pressure, has turned green, meaning that we have a green light once again to trade Palantir long. And my goal in this video is to go over what normally happens when this entry occurs and where I think price is headed by the end of this month. Now, if you want to get access to this indicator and learn the exact strategy that I teach each and every single day, it's completely for free in the description. The only thing that I ask in return is that you take the courses in sequential order. This is not something that you can try to speed run or get a cheat for. None of that. I've been doing this for 11 years, and not until my first 5 years did I have any type of consistency. What kills most traders and investors is not the fact that they don't actually have a solid system, is that their expectations are ass backwards. So please, if you are going to take the courses, respect the fact that they need to be done in sequential order. Now we can see last time we had this setup, price actually broke out. We had about a 10% rally and then closed when the BX turned red for a 5% loss. Not bad at all. The time before that, we had a massive expansion in January 2025, all the way up to February 19th, 2025, which was a 38% rally. And then the most recent breakout from April up to May 8th was a 22% rally. So while this strategy in particular only has a 42% win rate, you can see at the bottom of your screen, that is less than a coin toss. The average win is 17.5%. The average loss is 6.5%, meaning our risk versus reward ratio, which is all that matters, is 2.7. Now, looking at Price Explorer, it seems based off of past setups, much like this, that we are expecting a rally up to $150. Best case, which I think would be egregious, $180 before a potential rejection. So as of now, the monthly BX is green, the weekly BX is green, and the daily BX is green, which means we are full steam ahead. Now, I want you to understand that even though all these requirements are met, I am personally not trading this. Even though my requirements are met, I have 20 plus stocks that are already meeting my requirements and that I feel are at a more of a safer / discounted zone. But if you're somebody who is trading our strategy or wants to continue to hold Palantir, this is the time to do it. Now, that said, what would be our take profit or our exit? Well, that would occur when the BX on the daily flips red once again. Now, there's no exact level for that, but in most cases, it would require a rejection to take out this prior candle, which would be about 6% to the downside. And as we said, the upside targets are at least $151, which is another 17%, to best case, another 43% run to the upside. So as always, risk versus reward is off the charts. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you're trading this down in the description, and I look forward to seeing you in our community.